over the USC Raleigh Tigresses 78-73. We have Coach Awis Yonan, CC Clarin, Angel Surada, and our finals MVP, Cielo Pagduaga. Coach Awis, congratulations! Redemption complete. So what can you say about your team's effort, not only in this game, but the whole season in general? What can you say?
First of all, I'm very satisfied with how we conducted our year this year. These players were on it since day one ng training camp namin. We asked so much from them, pero you cannot, parang hindi mo matatawaran yung yung effort nila every day. They're killing each other in practice. Even the third group is beating the first group. Sometimes both first group and second group. So that's why ang competition namin sa loob ng practice namin sobrang taas. And I'm just really satisfied because today this is the fruit of our labor. The entire year, we kept our step very cautiously. And our focus again is araw-araw to get better. Ang masaya ko for them is because we had our first loss of the season, game 2, pero hindi sila bumigay. The more they kept their focus, the more they became hungrier for this win. And just really, now I can say satisfied of how they conducted themselves. And congratulations to all of them, to all of the Alien community, kasi these players talaga binigay lahat para sa redemption year na ito na sinasabi natin. And again, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat for always supporting us sa mga lagi namin natin. Again, this is for all the NU community, and thank you din sa mga supporters namin na hindi nagsawang maniwala sa amin na kaya namin mabawi yung round, and today is the day. And I'm also medyo natutuwa kasi nakuha namin today is the death anniversary of our firstborn, and hindi namin nakuha ng game 2 ng birthday ng anak ko ngayon, pero we're still blessed na nakuha namin ngayong araw na ito na death anniversary ng first baby namin. And